From the trading floor of the NYMEX, I'm Jill Malandrino for TheStreet, and it looks like gold has come back a bit because the dollar has come down. What do you think here, Zuck?
Well, the dollar-dominated gold position is certainly the way the market has been trading lately. With the lofty numbers that the dollar had gotten to, it was certainly a nosebleed territory. So to have a little back off and to put a little wind underneath the gold is finally what we've been looking for.
But it feels like the dollar trade has been really crowded with everyone piling in. So should that turn around, could that potentially be a boost for gold as well?
Well, certainly you'd see the euro, people looking for parity. Now we're back above 109. And so gold approaching 1200, the next resistance, and that's only psychological resistance. Doesn't seem to be any technical resistance up until about 1220, 1225. So still think we got a little bit more upside left.
And we've seen some movement in copper as well, which is always an interesting metal to track because that's really based on supply and demand more so than any other metal in the complex.
Well, bad figures last night out of China with the PMI figures disappointing, well under expectations. But yesterday afternoon's trading activity, not for the faint-hearted. 3 o'clock, a rumor, well, not a rumor, but finally a wire service earthquake in southern Peru and Chile certainly put copper up at one point 13 cents. So when the market really found out there was no damage to any of those areas and a terrible PMI number, the market dropped that same 13 cents and was actually down at one point earlier this morning. So supply or demand or nothing, sometimes the algorithms and afternoon thin liquidity can drive the market, but getting back over to 290 puts a big spike of resistance in top for this morning technically, and that may put us in sideways territory for a little bit, having forced out a lot of the shorts and overnight trading, unfortunately.
Okay, thanks very much, Zuck. From the trading floor of the NYMEX, I'm Jill Malandrino for TheStreet.